New this morning, keeping up with your dental health. It can be just as important as any other physical checkup. However, like many industries post-pandemic, the dental industry is facing a shortage of key employees.
In fact, a lot of practices say they're seeing a significant decline in the number of dental hygienists. 7 News Detroit reporter Ryan Marshall is getting some perspective of local dental professionals who say that these hygienists are often the very glue in most dental offices.
Many industries and professions have experienced a steady post-pandemic bounce back. However, some are still struggling to recover following a nearly 2-year global shutdown.
In 2020, we were out of work, or all offices were shut down until June of 20. When we came back in June of 20, there was no vaccine available. And at that time, that put some pressure on staff. And hygienists in particular, some of the hygienists chose not to come back to work or left the workforce.
Dr. Michael Wolchek is a senior periodontist at Periodontal Specialties in Clinton Township. He says his specialty dental practice and others have experienced staffing issues.
Right now you cannot fill, if you're looking for a hygienist, it is a void that is not easy to fill. And hygiene programs cannot graduate hygienists at a rate fast enough to fill the need.
Michigan Dental Association estimates that 30% of dental hygienists have left the profession and not returned. So dentistry in our profession in general is seeing a downtick in the amount of available hygienists.
Dental hygienists like Violet Odell are vital to any dental practice. They educate patients on dental procedures, clean and polish teeth, take dental x-rays, and are even trained to give numbing injections if needed.
I like taking care of people. I like helping them. I like people to come in and maybe they're nervous, and now I can change that for them. And when you change something for someone and you're like, look, you have a great smile, be confident.
But now the dental industry's focus is trying to find additional people like Violet that are well qualified and reliable. Delta Dental's Margaret Trimmer says her company wants to help be part of the solution.
We are supporting a scholarship program that is very robust. It not only pays tuition, it pays for the fees that our hygienists who are emerging have to pay for equipment, and equipment is not a small cost. It's anywhere between $5,000 and $10,000 to buy the tools just to use in the academic programs.
Margaret also says Delta Dental's goal is not only to help the industry attract and keep more hygienists, but it's also to bring in a more diverse pool of new candidates to the profession, which will better support the various dental practices they serve. In Clinton Township, I'm Ryan Marshall.